spark in the dark. You light up the room. On the wall, you the art. The picture I choose. In my head, you the king. I'm stuck in your groove. Fairy tales feel unreal, but with you they move. Got me wondering what the hell you do to me. Thought you were out of reach, now you're consuming me. Feeling like a test, but you're what I need. Full court pressure, can't get no relief. Don't mess me up, don't let me down. You know I need you here around. Pulling and tugging on my heart. Didn't think I'd fall this hard. Crazy how I drive my guard. Don't mess me up, don't let me down. If this is love, I'll let it drown. I need to hear it from your mouth. Say it now. Tell me now. Tell me now. Don't mess me up, don't let me down. It's a risk, but I'm leaning into your hands. Got my soul sitting there. Don't let it crash land. Don't let it fall. Gotta learn how to trust, how to give control. Trust you. Time will tell, but I'm ready to let it unfold. Yeah. Got me wondering what the hell you do to me. Thought you were out of reach, now you pulling me deep. Feeling like a test, you're all I see.
Sanibonani Nkosi yami ngiyaxolisa. Sorry. Okay. Let's start over. Hi everybody. Hi guys. Sanibonani. I forgot I started the live. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Sanibonani. Okay, yes. Amo, thank you for the rose, Amo. Yeah. Sanibonani ninjani siyaphila nathi siyaphila Nkosi yami. Haven't seen you guys in forever, and I don't think I'm gonna stay here for long. Ngizohamba nje manje. Nengoma zami ziyabheda ngiyenza what you call it, TLC, ngiyenza romance manje nina. You guys are not used to these type of things, so why I shouldn't have started this manje with your abusive tendencies. Thank you for the rose, BK. Niba abusive. No ways. Mina mangithi kyalalo manje. Zonke bonke yonke umuntu bayicambarere. Yonke umuntu mayirare. Are you done writing? Not even, yes. I'm not done writing, but I'm finishing soon. So from now I'll be live at home. Can't wait. You guys, I love being home. So Malum Dube sawubona kunjani? How you doing? Okay, Makatini. Sawubona Makatini. How you doing? And I Kevin, awungitsheli lokho. Wena Sibusiso uzitshela ukuthi ngafunda isikole esigcoka ishirt lelo. Ngiphaphile mina. Asifuni kushuthi kusho ngizosala la nodwa. Mina. Personal. Going to sleep. Thank you. Sit down. I'm going to sleep. Personally. Sleeping. Leyo ukuthi hey. Inyani. Ay. Le ntombazana ifunani la. Xa niblock le account. Cela ngihlangana nawe la. Nama ngazi waya uhambe la, awuphume nje la. Hawu, uzosifakela amazenze, akaphume lo. Yaxabana na. Next kanjani wethu kuzosicala? Is this Lwandile? Yes it is. Hawu sibangani Nkosi yami? Ukuthi bandla. Nento edlala la neighbor. Tabaki. Asixabananga mfethu, sibanga ini mara. Hello. Hi, how you doing? Sexy so but why uzohamba usukhala la sis? Into ezonzeka kwena ukuthi la uzahamba usukhala. Hello Sfere. Ha, mina loyo. Guys, you can't just come up to a stranger and say that, hi, Bo. Sure. Who's this? Slice. Yeah, creeper Marayona. How am I? I feel like I wish I knew how to insult people. Cause what is this? No, okay. Hi, Bo. Hey. Thank you for the rose. Man, Samangel. It's impuza ama-ARVs. Ish. Ngikhofe manje. It's impuza nama-ARVs, guys. Ngehlise. Hi, Bo. It's impuza ama-ARVs ngehlise ulaka. Mama kanjani nina? Hi. Howza? Ngikhofe like right khona impela. Coolest kid, hey, how you doing? Thank you for the rose, King. Oh, you look beautiful, Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you. Are you saying, guys? What's wrong with y'all? Guys, not everyone acts like your mother. Just because your mother sells, it doesn't mean every woman you come across sells. You know what I mean? But Manjelo, yeah, I got the conflict. Exactly, nothing, Mangele. What's again, John? I'm genuinely so baffled. Papa is ending when I get taken. I think I say command. Hey, guys, I don't know how to react to such things, man. Hi Mama, hi King, how you doing? I get a lot of my conflicts, but I'm born. I don't know what's so they go slice me now. So request also like that. I requesting for my into social vibes to like as much as yes. I look funny. How does a person look funny? Guys, what's going on? I'm Kajangani. What's going on? How do you mean I look funny? Sawubona Mama. Enganati. Hi, how you doing? My favorite. Sawubona Tamulo. When it says tonight. Quality I have. Taste tonight. Hi Hope, how you doing? Java. Hlala simamela manje musijava yazi la. Umusha la and umusha. You're new here, ne? Ngiyabonakala. Ama newcomers siyabona siwabuza. Ukuphi ekhaya Mama just here. Any dark R&B song go through. What is dark? What is dark? What is dark? I understand ilo part leyo. Angikho musha and we are possessed it ngikubona. And awuyena la ekhaya. Ngiyazazi ingane zami. Ngiyabazi abantu bami ngeke ungididi. Awuzazi ukuthi ufuna yona Kevin. Wena sekubona azazi ufuna. I'm good when I'm amazing Hope. Guest list baba. I no longer work there. Angisasebenza eZuki guys. So yeka ukubuza ngeke. Guest list. I no longer work at Zook. Unantula angisasebenzi laphayana so. As next thing about my guest list. Usibiza ngengane zami. Ukhohla uzami ekugcineni. How? Ngikubuza baby. So sizocela uhambe la nawe angikho comfortable ula. Ngikubuza baby baba. Engayibalekela 4 years ago. Asidlali la. Hello. Hi, how you doing? How about before I move on? Bye. Okay, Tayini, before I move on. Hi, boy, Mama Sangenzeni. DJ Nation, hi, how you doing? Hello. Hi, K. Marake. Before I move on, I should pass him quickly before I move on. Abashana ngathi ngomalume lana. Nawe Kevin ngathi umusha la. Abantu bayazi i-big league. Yabona ama Champions League ayazi ukuthi la Iguamalume. Who's the artist, man? Thank you for the roses. Who's the artist? Bavela maningi la. Abashana bamalume bayazi ukuthi big league, Champions League actually. Ayazi ukuthi like us operator kanjani. That's the thing. Is it this one? Ha guys, ngithe isho the artist phela nawe. Bani kuThanos la kwi-big league. Mina ngi-big league, ngi-Champions League nguThanos. Nginzima ngumalume big league Thanos. Oh. Ngiphansi sonjonyoko. Nginzima. Nginzima ubuye. Dlala. Hi Eso, how you doing? Where do you study? I study at UJ. Guys, I'm not studying. Oh, before you send your grain, I'm joking. No, I'm not studying. Nah. Okay, whoa. You've been making the work right. What do you mean? Okay. Father. I want to sing deeper, man. Because now everyone is telling me a different song before I even find the previous one. Because people don't want to say artist or whatever. They just say, like, the title. Yo, it's ngayo man. Abantu bavele ba requesting ngoma kusakhona requesting. Bangalishi igama lomuntu ecula leyo ngoma. Yabo. Ulimele wena. Awu sengenze. Enyani abusive nina. Ngenzeni manje? Bethu. Sawubona we mama. Olami kunjani? Yaphila. Yata apu ngayiluma. Hayibo sengiyasangana nekhanda. Yahlala ekhanda lakho. Yeah, so now when you're requesting a song, can you please like the title and the artist? And abnormal one, but wena haven't seen you in forever. Sawubona kunjani? I'm so excited. Okay, man. One people per person. One people per person. One people per person. Yabon. One people per person. Thank you. Manje thina sangana na ecampus njengoba uthi awufuni. Mina ecampus. Angazi nokuthi campus yini Nkosi yami. Mina campus. What is that? What is that? Is that the thing that you use for directions and stuff? Mina. Hi. Elubona ibody 80. Ahambe ejimini uzobona yakho every day ungisangane. Ngiyadlala that was so mean. Ngiyadlala so. Hey, now I want to talk about your beauty. I can't even sleep. Stop it. Thank you so much, BK. You're too kind. Thank you. Especially the song that's playing. Oh, you didn't confirm when I asked. Now I'm talking to myself. Because you're not answering. Hi, Sister Blonde. So, when Uncle Siam, kunjani? I'm Cambridge. Say man, live better, Cambridge food. I don't understand your language. I don't understand it. You're going to come among. Serious, guys. I'm not grade 3. Highest grade past grade 3. I think you're like campus as mean. That was cold. Oh, sorry, Ngadala. Guys, I'm so sorry, but I hope if you keep going up, you will see messages of me confirming. Aye. Settle Daleni. Okay. I like it. Like that. You'll take me later. Okay. There's another one. Okay, Bunny. I like it like that. Bye. Okay, you request Yaga DJ. Okay. Wabua kanti. I do everything, Shane. It depends on the level of anger that I have. I'm joking, but yes, everything. And it's too late for using this man. Ish kunini, yes. Hey. Seyiphumela angithi gogo umlungu. Ngimixi mina. Hey. Hey, Thanos umdu udrope waye ungadlali ezakhingo. Angazi kimang. I said people should request. Uma kuphela le ngoma na ucele yakho. Kanjalo. Hey, hi, how you doing? Kodwa we Thanos wengane. Ingenzima kumalume obashana. Thanos nzima, big league, Champions League. Whatever. Ocean eyes. It's so warm, Nico. Why did you call me here? Call you where, Batung? I called you. How? I like your smile. Thank you so much. You're too kind. Thank you. I feel like every time I'm live I have to say this. When you are typing Kasizulu, don't type the whole thing in Majigi Kasizulu because it takes me forever to read. So type Kasizulu, then add a bit of English so that it's faster for me to read. You get what I mean? You get my chat. Thank you. Okay, Nyazam. Umkhulu owayezala umkhulu kababa wayeza uyangazi inja yasekhaya ekithi yathi woof kwinja kamakhelwane and inja kamakhelwane iwumlungu, so that's why ngiyimix mina. You get it. How come on, I'm from Joburg. I have a repeat colors by Mela Pela Ingoma Kevin Mshaya Gemand. Wait for the thingy majiggy to thingy, then you can thingy your thingy majiggy after the thingy has thingy. You know what I mean? Thank you. Too late, man. Just get it, man. Oh, ma. It's not bad, is it? It's really not that bad. The thing is, I'm not focusing, but then I can hear it. I see myself listening to this. Like that. While studying, I see myself listening to this. Manje ngoba we don't know English, is so too. Type English words kaSizulu ke. I'll hlanganisa. I'll make a plan. You're not even listening to the thingy. No, I am listening to the thingy, but then I need to thingy to you guys. I can't just thingy on the thingy and not thingy on you. So now it's gonna be weird. You get the chat. So while I'm thinking here, I'm also thinking with you, so that when thingy requests another thingy, we can, mean how. Then was in Dabung said, see, my message request, or is it because I'm black? Oh, okay, yes, it is because you're black. I mean, I'm racist, but I'm joking. I'm joking. I hardly check my DMs. I'm so sorry. I hardly check my DMs. Okay, what's the other song that you guys requested? I'm sorry. Hey guys, I can't multitask. Nah. Your favorite song at the moment? Amapiano or just in general? Because favorite song at the moment. I think it's Peshe, yeah. I think by Mordecai and what. Menuko kuyikhala so English and yes. Hi ngeke. Ayikhonali. Never on a Sunday. Joburg inkulu mama dlala manje. Selifuna ungishiya ngokidnap. Kanti why do you want my precise location? Just know I'm in Joburg. Joburg, man. So that was my thinking about. I forgot. That's why I'm asking. What is the thingy that you think it so that I can think it right now while I'm thinking to you guys. Man. Uzohlanya man. Uzohlanya, imagine Spanish 75. Again, I'm trying. Everyone is here, so I missed you guys. Especially Amapiano. Yes. I have to. Call it What You Want by Remo Gold. Okay? Call it What You Want. You have to thingy the next person who wants to to request another song will have to wait for this one to finish, and then yabo, to be fair, pretty mele ngigeze ngibisi ke ngizibleach then you accept. No, like I said, I hardly check my thingies, man. I hardly check my DMs. So how are you playing? Call it when I requested first. I'm look shy, Kevin, because I said request again because I forgot and Kevin, it went up, so I don't. Wena lo ongiphoxela ade ngithi angifundisa ukudansa lapha eRomania. Ngithe mina angifundisana ukudansa ahambe Soweto's Finest. Bengingakuphoxa, just recommending. Yeah, hi Dodo. How you? Namanje usakwatile uDodo uzohamba la. Ubrave Ntakama. I-choice ayikho bandla. Uthando ngizothini Nkosi yami. So what? Oh my gosh, Chubby Han, so what? Ngamgcina nini Nkosi yami. Oh my goodness. Hi Chubby Han, mama, how you doing? Chumiko accept her. Go look. Ay. So darling. Hi, how you doing? Oh, ngusangilele kanjani man? It's Limpopo, mom. I'm coming to Limpopo next month actually. And I was asking where can I buy like very traditional clothes? Or I'm thinking around Joburg, like I'm genuinely need help. And I was saying so pleasing to me. So I need them for Limpopo next month. Hi Timber, how you doing? You're not seeing I NCVM. Kevin, after like who went back, I promise. After this one, it's you. Temba mina. I swear, after this one, back. I won't take any other request but you. So one. So one. Bob met December. Don't worry. Say less. I just say long. Favorite song, please. All right. I don't worry. Yay! Bye, Mobile. Bye. Have a good night. Oh, good morning. Or whatever you wanna have it. After the one play. After this one, we are playing whatever Kevin wants to listen to. Ngobuzo ngubulala at this point. After this one, we're listening to Kevin. How Nkosi yami wena ke wasazophika nami futhi uzogcina udelete TikTok. Mina ngikho right ekhanda bandla Nkosi yami. It's just jokes. So cute, Nana. Thank you so much. Otherwise we throw hands. Yes, Kevin, you are next. We are sorry. Hebatong. Guys, after this one, Kevin. Who's this? Luda. What's up, Luda? Why do you hate me so much? Ari, may God give you toxic men until you choose me. Luda, ngiyaxolisa yimo wrong. Shoot. No, you're more wrong. I'm so sorry. You're more wrong. The fuck? Hey, from your mouth to God's ears. Okay, I guess. Hey, blessing sha coming full. Weglanda ngama double speed kicker. Oh, wasidlali la. Ngumalume kakhulu khohlwa. Ewe ni ba uSjavi yabona ukuthi okay, after uKevin uChubby Han. Ne? I want peace. I want problems. Okay, sharp. Yeah, which song do you want us to play? Kuluma Manj. So I can think in Manj. Thank you so much. The real bonjour. Thank you. Thank you. How baby? Hello. Hi, Imo baby. Let me mangel. What do you think about open marriage? Open marriage. Why would your marriage be open, dog? Because I feel like calling it an open marriage is just like sugarcoating cheating, basically. So no, she say he would. Angshanga ibun is my. No, guys, bega masuku bengathi nento manje she would angshanga ibun is like at the back of my thigh. Ngasha at the back of my thigh. Nakhona she say ayin. Colors by YE. It's nyenze manje ke ngizongibulala. Ayibo. I'll tell you yes. me tapping on the wrong thing. Sengathi ngiyahlanya. Buscimba. Emakhathini uzohamba la. Ubuscimba, yes, mate. Oh, paid promo. You want me to do a paid promo for you or what? You should send me an email. Malume, ngizokwenza umshana wami. Oh. Uyangibona mara. Big League. Isumshana, Big League. Champions League. League Anos. Idlali la. Ikhonali. Never on a Sunday. Because I didn't write. Nakho mose siyayidlala ingoma zakho zama-drugs. Kevin ungifunani. Azi ingoma zakho zey'dakamizwa ziyadlala manje ama-drugs. Ziyadlala ingoma zama-drugs. Usufunani? 2006 or 2007. My age. Who at my big age? 2006, 2007. And how old do you guys think I am, Evan? Okay, after ingoma zama-drugs simamele uVusiqimba. After zama-drugs. Hi, Nombuso. Hi, how you doing? Hey, hi, how are you? Just after 3 requests, I have another. When Lensango ibhemayo meyihlula imix enamanzi nomuyeke. Because clearly he's strong. Kevin, awusiphaphela la. Yamazi ukuthi ucela. Yabonga. Washo mina cabanga, ngiyabonga. Hey, hi Ndlovu, how you doing? Boya benyi out. Aw, gatsheni. Sawubona TK kunjani? Okay, man. 22, I'm 21. The fuck? Where you from? I'm from Joburg. I'm working there. Open marriage is cheating. Some girls said it's having fun. Then, if you still want to have fun, why are you married in the first place? Ewen by Java. Okay. Uvusiqimba. And then, Ewen. This playlist is so random. Okay, Uvusiqimba. Let me think it now. Uvusiqimba. And then Ewen after Uvusiqimba. Indoda. Ethanda inyama ne. Alright, got it. Okay. Fact, I said a lot of things now I don't even remember. Ingoma zamaluminati. Inja asekhaya 666 Illuminati. Kunzima. Wayidlala Paradise manje ngifaka uVusiqimba mina. Ezama-drugs, Kevin ezama-drugs lezi ngoma. Zilalela abasana bangani bakho. Bheme. Ngiyadlala. No, I'm joking. But ezama-drugs. You said it's my song next. Sorry, Ewen after, I promise. Bukanti nidlalisa zona mara guys, hey. I like your hair. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's Ewen by Java after Kevin. Okay, after Vusiqimba Ewen. It's a new search, man. Guys, hey. Hey, hi Jimmy. How you doing? Amadodana selukhulu lapha. Ayeke umakhathini wena usurequestile siyakuskipha manje sisiyenza abangaka requested all. Ngimixa neglue esana. No wahanda ila. Yeke. Yeah, ayengibona ngahlala nayo. Guys, ngizothi vibe kanti sengiyahlanya. Uyona vibe angisile mina ekhanda. Ngikho right. Shwaza. I changed the song angeke ngiyabona. Changliha. Have you ever been with the Kosogen? I will never be with the Kosogen. I love myself too much. Anginabangani mama. Ingoma zama-drugs usuzibhema wena. Can I text you on TikTok? Eesh. Depends. Yeah. Akithi ngicela nilalele uVusiqimba nikhuluma after cela nizingoma ekuthiwa silalele. Wait, sorry ngavele ngayicima
sekuzoqhamuka ngalo ngokufana ophejile ngathi hayi
angeke hayi
nabo-ke sehlabile kwakhe uyaqala nokuhlaba inkomo endaweni
usenlazy
abantu abangakami udlame phela lolu incane kabi le nkomo engiyihlabela ikoni
nengoma zama-drugs ezingcono la
ngemali akusala abantu engibazi angiyihambi imizi
dead
yabantu
phela he
akhona elenke lakami akhona ebhaleni awusali udanis nami ngathatha inkosini yami ngayiphuma neqembu lengoma elalingilandela langilandela
Makhathini yini osilalisa yona? What is this? Oh my god. Kanti wena emudi ibeka manje you can't move. So uyabona? No, manje sizolalela umusijava because it says like uchabe 100 requests usijava. Hayi, ngoba hayi ngeke khehla cima. Cela ukujoina. Hayi right kabi. Ngoba ngoshakazi yisi group to real. Engeke ushakazi lozothi yindle yayicimani bafana. Mbulaleni. For playing this mbulaleni because yini manje le. Hey guys ngiyahamba mina manje ngiyolala. Sing right. No musani yenza travels Vusiximba inkunzi bakithi. Awu! Vusiximba. Uvusiximba lothi isalukazi sigcoba iglycerin isitha save guy bese ebusuku sijola nabafana. Is that still Vusiximba? Please be spicy. Okay, money. Yes, actually I did. Because that's Aslen malumusijava ukuthi uthini izwani. Ngithanda kanye ngathi ngizomlelekhe. Awu malume Nkosi yami. Angisaboni noma welele. Hoyi. Bathakathi. Okay ya. Bathi ukuthanda kanye ngathi ngizomlelekhe. Oh malume usijava. Angisaboni noma bonakala welele. Ngishaba. Okay, sorry guys, no, let me act proper. No, let me act like a real person. I'm sorry. That was out of character for me. I'm so sorry. Sorry you guys had to see that. Mbambe. Hi, how you doing? Yeah, before I know foot. Hi. Asidlali la. Uvusiximba futhi. Ayeke siphinde sidlale uvusiximba la. Lama drugs wabhema wayeke. So Malumus Java. What was the next song kind of after Malumus Java? I forgot. Now. Awufe nongolisa ngoba ngamuntu shame yazi mina nabafowethu umsangana sizwani naye so abangibonisa kangamuntu abafana basile emakhaya abafana nje basile emakhaya you saw one thing about ingoma love songs zimnandi mawungajole woma ucula ingoma yothanda ungafiki umuntu ekhanda mnandi kakhulu makunjalo King Nuba makhathini zohamba la Ikhona no ways from Uvusiximba to King Nuba konje ithini ingoma ya King Nuba khona lethi yithi laba singabantu abasebenza ngoblo hayi sidlali la stay with me sithonto guys ngithe ngiyahamba mina manje so name of the song Eweni by Beyonce. Joking. So asilali see wona robani sidlali la Kevin sidlala ngobile makathi kuyalaliwiwa kuzolaliwiwa manje awungitsheli lokho okay which song is next Kane ukuthi guys the thing is we're thinking a lot so I don't know Kwaphela iy'nhlawu sikhona siwuZulu. Simile siyibambile siwuZulu. Uhlalaphi? Ase-Joburg. Ngifake before uhambe. Shame, never on a Sunday. Never on a Sunday. Andizi, babes. Andizi. Yansaba. Nina, yansaba, shame. That's why I stopped thinking. I never actually started taking, what you might call it, requests. Because you guys are not nice people. Angeke. I told you, I don't know how these things work, guys. It's like I don't know how these TikTok lives or whatever. I don't even know how to make up. Let me tell you what I know. I know how to get click live and then Puma. That's all I know. I don't know how to work. I don't know how to work these things. But hey guys, ngihamba ngiyolala mina nibe right, yes. Saying right in here, bora man, nibe right. Wena khanda lakho ngisho ingoma, but Nyaman gives me more reason to go sleep. Okay guys, thank you for joining my live. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. I'm joking, but no, ngiyalala ngempela manje enengiyasha yo. Okay, good night. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngibhizi ngiyakhommente trying to make me forget ukuthi ngiyolala manje. No, ngiyolala manje. Yabo. Ngothu cisha kakhulu izinto la. Okay, guys, nibe right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll probably be live tomorrow. Yes. Sengimdala, guys. I'm live 2 days in a row. But I see collab. Going to sleep now. You guys have a very good night. Okay, good morning. Whatever you guys wanna have. Love you guys so much. And a massive kiss on the forehead to every single one of you. Don't forget to pray. Most importantly, don't forget to pray. Mrs. Sendlala. You're right, Mom Peach. Anilale ngokuthula. Hey, I'm looking at you, Kevin. Nilale ngokuthula. No. Hey, next thing I mean, hey guys, now I'm talking a lot. And I shouldn't be doing that. Please make an IG account. Ngiyofuna Instagram wabantu abagezayo. Angigezi ngiyadlala. No. Okay, no. Ish. Now I'm nervous. Okay, guys. I don't have an Instagram account. I will not have an Instagram account because I've never had Instagram, so I don't know what happens on Instagram. So I can't be posting on Instagram and I don't know what goes on that side. You get what I mean? So yeah, I don't have Instagram, and that's it. I think, what did I do? Nina abanye ngiyangithanda. Shuthi ongi 1K kanjani manje? You guys hate me, no ways. Niyangizonda nina, but it's fine. Guys, angiloni 1K. Anginawo Instagram, ngishayeni ke, it's fine. Ngishayeni. Guys, yo papa yini, yo kunini. I love you guys. I don't stretch that enough. Guys, ngiyanithanda. Kobe kuyangalo babe ngijola nanonke mara nina ngenivume. But papa yini, I love you guys so much. I'll see you on my next live.